In this video, I explain the wind energy system or wind energy conversion system, WECS, wind energy conversion system. So this is the one of the method to produce electricity, and this is a renewable resources. And the main function or main working principle of wind energy is the wind energy contains a lot of kinetic energy. When a wind energy which strikes an object, the object gets some energy and it's move out of the way. Okay, so that is the working of a wind mill or wind energy system. So actually the energy conversion is take place from kinetic energy to mechanical energy by using the windmill, and finally mechanical energy to electrical energy by using the generator. So wind turbine which converts wind energy to mechanical energy. Okay, and there is one equipment that is an aero generator. It is the combination of wind turbine plus generator. Okay, and this is the block diagram of WECS system. So the main component of WECS are aero turbine, it's a wind turbine, then a mechanical interface, electrical generator and controller. So these are the main components used in WECS. And initially the turbine, okay, so the wind is allowed to drop in the turbine. So the turbine which converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy, and this turbine is coupled with a electrical generator through a common shaft or mechanical interface. The mechanical interface consists of a gearing block and coupling block. Okay, so the function of gearing is to the wind speed. Okay, wind speed is not controlled by the human being. Okay, so the sometimes the wind speed becomes more, so that the rotation of turbine also become more. It affects the working of generator because the generator are having some rated speed. Suppose the generator works above the rated speed, means it will damage. So that's why gearing system is used. Gearing system is used to control the speed of the shaft. Okay, speed of the shaft. Okay, and it protects the electrical generator. And coupling is the device which coupled turbine and electrical generator. And the function of electrical generator which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. The other important block is controller. Okay, so the function of the controller is to control all the activities carried out by the each blocks. Okay, so controller controls turbine speed, then gearing system, it controls the gearing system, and electrical generator also. And for that the controller needs a lot of informations. So the informations are the output power, okay, power from the load side. Then the other information, wind speed, okay, it sends the wind speed and torque, okay, from the gearing system. Okay, and based on these data, the controller controls all the blocks in the WECS system. And other controls are one is pitch control, second one is yaw control. This is the important control as WECS concerned. Pitch control is nothing but according to the wind speed. Okay, according to the wind speed, the orientation of blade needs to be changed. Okay, so the pitch controller which change the orientation of the blade or angle between the blades. Next one is yaw controller. Okay, so yaw controller wind direction is always not constant. So that wind direction is varying. So based on the wind direction, the turbine, the whole structure of the turbine needs to change its position. So the yaw controller helps to change the turbine positions. So that is the yaw controller. So main thing is pitch controller. It control the it change the position of blades only, but in yaw controller it controls overall structure of the turbine. It change the position of overall structure of the turbine. So that's all WECS. So WECS mainly two conversion take place. One is kinetic energy to mechanical energy, second one mechanical to electrical energy. Then advantages of wind energy. Actually, it is a renewable source, so no fuel is required. That's why running cost is very less. Then no pollution. Then we can install wind system easily, and round the clock energy availability. And disadvantages are it's a weather dependent, because the wind system or wind mill produce electricity based on the wind speed or availability of wind. So that is weather dependent. We cannot generate electricity anytime. Then next one is most of time plant may be operating at lower output. And the next one is sometimes noise pollution. In some cases noise pollution is produced. Then extreme wind speed or high wind speed may damage the turbine. That's all. Thank you.